Today, we're diving into the best 5 foldable phones of 2025 by comparing the key features, prices, and we even mentioned the discounts. And trust me, the foldable phone game has never been this exciting. Not too long ago, Samsung pretty much owned the foldable market with their Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip models. They were the go-to choices, hands down. But now, the competition has stepped up in a big way. Companies like Google, Huawei, Honor, and even OnePlus are shaking things up with some seriously impressive innovations. And Huawei has just launched a revolutionary triple foldable phone, and it's blowing everyone's minds. So, if you're curious about which foldables truly deserve your attention this year, stick around. So, let's get started. Number 5. OnePlus Open, a game changer in the foldable phone space. The first thing that stands out is its design. This is the thinnest foldable you'll find in North America, making it feel more like a traditional flagship when folded. Plus, the dual display is creaseless when unfolded, a huge win for anyone worried about that annoying crease. Now, let's dive into the specs that matter. For content creators, this phone is a powerhouse. It features a triple-lens Hasselblad camera, including a main camera with a pixel stack CMOS sensor and OIS for stable shots. You also get a 6x optical zoom telephoto lens, making it a fantastic tool for photography enthusiasts. Plus, it shoots in Dolby Vision. Yes, you can record cinematic videos with this thing. Battery life is solid with the largest battery on the foldable market, and the 67-watt Super VUC charging means you'll be back up and running in no time. Multitaskers will love the Open Canvas feature, which allows you to run 3 apps simultaneously when unfolded. It's smooth and responsive, perfect for those who need to juggle tasks on the go. But, of course, nothing is perfect. The OnePlus Open isn't as feature-packed as the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and its battery life could use a little more juice for heavy users. Also, the camera bump is massive, it's noticeable, and the price tag, it costs around $1,699 at Best Buy. So, considering the price point, this phone offers great value with its premium design, powerful camera, and efficient multitasking. Number 4. Honor Magic V3. And I'm going to explain why this is one of the best value foldables out there. The slim and lightweight design really stands out. This is one of the thinnest and lightest book-style foldables on the market right now, making it super easy to carry around in your pocket. But design is just the start. The 7.92-inch main screen and 6.43-inch outer screen both offer 120Hz OLED displays with high resolution, providing an amazing viewing experience. In terms of performance, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 16GB of RAM make this phone incredibly fast. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, it handles everything with ease. However, there is a slight downside. It can get a bit warm when gaming for extended periods, which is something to keep in mind. When it comes to the camera, you're looking at a 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 40-megapixel telephoto lens. For selfies, you've got a 20-megapixel front camera, and you can even record in Dolby Vision for stunning video quality. On the downside, the battery life could be a bit better. The 5,150 mAh battery charges super fast, but heavy users might find themselves needing a recharge sooner than expected. Also, the price is a bit on the high side, at around $1,899 at Amazon US, so it's definitely a premium device. All in all, the Honor Magic V3 is an excellent foldable with great design, solid cameras, and fast performance. Number 3. Huawei Mate XT. This is the latest game changer in the foldable phone market. If you're tired of the usual foldables and want something that truly pushes the limits, this is the one to check out. What makes the Mate XT stand out? It's the world's first commercial triple foldable phone. Instead of the usual single hinge, this one has 2, giving it a unique 3-panel design. This extra hinge isn't just for show, it really changes how you use the phone. When unfolded, you get a massive 10.2-inch screen, offering a tablet-like experience. Plus, when folded, it still has two smaller displays, including a 6.4-inch front screen that makes it super easy to use even in its compact form. In terms of power, it's running the Kirin 90105G processor with 16 GB of RAM, so multitasking and gaming are no problem. You've got storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or even 1 TB, so you won't be running out of space anytime soon. The camera setup is impressive, with a 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel telephoto lens. However, the 8-megapixel front camera might feel a bit underwhelming compared to the rear lenses. The battery is a decent 5,600 mAh, and it supports 66 watts wired charging, so you won't be waiting too long for a full charge. But here's the catch. At a $2,800 price point, it's not exactly cheap. Still, if you're into cutting-edge tech and are willing to splurge, this could be the ultimate foldable phone for you. Number 2, Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And let me tell you, this phone is a game changer, especially if you're all about camera performance and multitasking. So, let's start with the AI-powered experience. It runs on the Google Tensor G4 chip, making it incredibly fast and smart. If you love seamless multitasking, the split screen feature lets you run 2 apps side by side, which is super useful for productivity. Plus, with Gemini, Google's built-in AI assistant, you can easily plan, write, or learn on the go, just by holding the power button. It's a productivity beast. Now let's talk about the displays. The 8-inch Super Actua Flex inner screen is insanely bright, about 80% brighter, giving you an immersive experience whether you're watching videos or working. Plus, the 6.3-inch Actua outer display is perfect for quick tasks when it's folded. When it comes to cameras, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold doesn't disappoint. The triple rear camera system is powered by AI for those perfect shots, whether it's low light or long distance photos. And for selfies, the rear camera is powerful enough to get brilliant shots. Plus, tabletop mode makes hands-free photos a breeze. But, like any device, it's not without its flaws. Battery life could use some improvement for heavy use, though you can turn on Extreme Battery Saver to make it last up to 72 hours. Also, while the phone's design is sturdy, it's still a bit on the heavier side for a foldable. And you can get it for around $1,399 with $300 discount at Best Buy. So, if you're looking for fantastic camera quality, great multitasking features, and the best of Google's AI, this is a phone worth considering. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. And I have to say, this is one of the best overall foldables you can get. If you're someone who values multitasking and immersive experiences, this is a phone designed for you. Let's start with the displays. The 7.6-inch Inner Dynamic Active Matrix Organic Light emitting diode screen offers stunning detail and brightness, making it perfect for everything from gaming to content creation. Plus, the 6.3-inch outer display has been widened, making it much easier to use in its folded form compared to its predecessors. With a 120Hz refresh rate on both screens, everything feels buttery smooth. Now, the performance is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and a solid 12GB RAM. Whether you're editing photos, running multiple apps, or gaming, it handles everything without a hitch. Speaking of photos, the 50-megapixel main camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide are solid, but they're not quite on the level of flagship devices like the S24 Ultra, which might be a deal breaker for some. On the AI side, the smart photo edits are impressive. AI tools like Generative Edit help you touch up images with ease. Plus, the interpreter mode makes it easier to communicate in up to 16 languages. perfect for travel. However, the battery life could be better. While it has a 4,400 mAh battery, it's only slightly improved from the previous model. And while it's lighter and thinner, that price tag starting at $1,349 with $550 discount at Amazon US might give some people pause. Overall, if you want a foldable that does it all, productivity, entertainment, and powerful AI, the Z Fold 6 is a top contender, though be prepared to pay a premium for it. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the best foldable phones for 2024. I hope this video helped you get a solid understanding of which foldable might be your next big tech upgrade. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Also, drop a comment below. Are you leaning towards the sleek and innovative Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, or is there another foldable catching your attention? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.